how to set up an eSIM on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we tap on connections. Now go down and tap on SIM manager. After that, tap on add eSIM. Okay, this will take a few seconds. After that, tap on scan QR code. Now in here, you need to get the QR code from your service provider. So you can log onto the website and then grab the eSIM QR code from the provider webpage. Or if they provide you an activation code, you can enter in the activation code in here and put in the activation code, whatever it is provided to you, and then press on the done button. Okay, so here it said can't add eSIM, the code is not valid, so you need to put in the correct format, the valid activation code. Otherwise, we can use the camera to scan a QR code. For example, you can scan right here. If your QR code is correct, then you should be able to add it to your device. Now in this case here it's not correct. Another option is to tap on it. So if you have downloaded the QR code from your device on your phone, then instead of using the camera, you can tap on this picture icon and then you can grab it from your gallery. Okay, so if I scroll down, there is a QR code here, and then tap on done, and then it will check the QR code from the one that we have here. So this one has already been used, we can't use it again. And that's it. Once it is added, it will appear in here as an eSIM or a secondary SIM. So you have SIM1, the physical SIM, and a second eSIM. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.